Hello everyone, in this video, today I will show you how to give Robux to someone on Roblox mobile. On the receiving account, open your mobile browser and go to roblox.com. Log into the account that should get the Robux. Tap the menu button at the top left and choose Create or Creations. Find the game or place that this account owns. You must own the place to add a pass. Open the place's settings. Scroll to Monetization and choose Passes. Tap Create a Pass. Give the pass a clear name so the buyer knows what it is for. Tap Create Pass. After the pass appears, open it and tap the three dots or options. Choose Configure or Sales, then turn on Item for Sale. Enter the price in Robux. The price is the amount the buyer will pay and the amount that will appear for the recipient, minus Roblox's fees. Tap Save Changes. Now open the pass page again and copy the pass ID. After that, open a new tab and type this URL roblox.com/gamepass/ and your last pass ID. Click Search, and when the pass page loads up, copy the link of that page. On the sender account, log into your Roblox account and in the browser paste the link we copied earlier. When the page loads, purchase the pass. Once the purchase is completed, the Robux will go to the receiving account. They may show up first as pending Robux, then move into their main balance after Roblox processes the sale. That is the full method. Thanks for watching.